Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bloom effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, open your project and navigate to the Fusion page. This is where we'll build our effect node by node. The bloom effect adds a beautiful, soft glow to bright areas of your footage, enhancing visual appeal. It's a popular technique for cinematic looks and stylized visuals, making your highlights truly stand out. Let's get started with the initial setup. Once in the Fusion page, you'll need to bring your footage into the node graph. Drag your clip from the media pool directly into the node editor. This creates a media in node. Next, connect the output of your media in node to the input of the media out node. This ensures your changes will be visible back on the edit page. This foundational step is crucial for any effect you build in Fusion. Now let's add the magic. Press Shift and Spacebar to open the Tool Selection menu, then search for Glow and add it. Insert this glow node between your media in and media out nodes. In the Inspector panel, you'll find parameters like glow size and glow intensity. Experiment with these to achieve your desired look. A glow size of around 0, 0, 5 to 0, 1 and an intensity of 0, 5 to 0. 8 are good starting points for a subtle effect. To refine your bloom, adjust the threshold parameter in the glow node. This controls which bright areas receive the glow. A lower threshold means more areas will glow. You can also tweak the gamma to subtly brighten or darken the overall effect. Remember, a little goes a long way with bloom. Aim for a natural, ethereal glow rather than an overpowering one. Play around until it perfectly complements your footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.